Hi, this is Christian Cantrell, and this is the most recent LEGO kit that I worked on. This is the Death Star 2, model number 10143. It's, what is it? Let's see, 3,449 pieces. It's 50 centimeters across and about 65 centimeters tall, and weighs in at about 15 pounds. So it's a pretty decent size kit. It took two people about 8 hours to put together. I would say 8 relatively leisurely hours, but still 8 hours is a decent amount of time for two people to spend on one LEGO model. Not nearly as much time as we put into the Millennium Falcon here, which took 3 guys a couple of days, but still a very good size model here. It's got a lot of nice detail. This is a Star Destroyer, which is orbiting, which is kind of neat. Gives you sort of a perspective of scale. I mean, you can remember the Millennium Falcon was small next to the Star Destroyer, and the Star Destroyer is small next to the Death Star. It has the weapon being activated here, which, I don't know, might be a little bit cheesy. I might take that off after the video. Can't decide. This is from Return of the Jedi. It's the second Death Star that was built. This is, as you can see, it's, has this sort of iconic fragmented look to it, which is really neat, which made it very difficult to build. You can see the little piece hanging off right here, which is from the movie, from Return of the Jedi. This top section here is actually identical to the bottom section, although the bottom section is inverted. And these were probably the hardest parts to build. It was really difficult to differentiate one step from the next in the directions. But when you stand back, it's just a really, really cool look. It really captures the look of it from the movie. Here's the box here. Pretty decent sized box. The box isn't in great shape. These are, this is a discontinued kit, so I had to, find it online. The box wasn't in great shape, but all the bags were sealed, which is the important part, so none of the pieces were missing. It comes with a plaque that you can attach to the base here, which I decided to leave off. It's built, but I just have it in the box with the rest of the leftover pieces, because, I don't know, I didn't really like the plaque. It just I think it sort of speaks for itself. So same with the Falcon here. I didn't set up the little plaque. It just makes its own statement. So there it is, the Death Star 2. Definitely one of my favorite LEGO kits. Difficult to get, but they are still available. And if you're a Star Wars fan and a LEGOs fan, definitely worth it. Thanks for watching.